Welcome to Wheel Joint. Today, I'm going to show you how to open the sunshade in a Kia Sportage. Whether you're looking to let in some extra sunlight or just enjoy the open roof, we got you covered. So, let's get started. Before you can operate the sunshade, make sure the ignition is turned on or the engine is running. This is essential to power the sunroof controls. Now locate the sunroof controls just above the rearview mirror. To open the sunshade, push the sunroof control lever backward to the first detent position. To close the sunshade when the sunroof glass is closed, push the sunroof control lever forward to the first detent position. To stop the sliding at any point, press the sunshade control switch momentarily. Do not pull or push the sunshade by hand, as such action may damage the sunshade or cause it to malfunction. And there you have it, folks. Opening the sunshade in a Kia Sportage is a breeze. Just follow these simple steps to let the sun shine in and enhance your driving experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car-related tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.